Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the most popular North Indian dishes, butter chicken. If you've ever been to an Indian restaurant or tried Indian cuisine, chances are you've heard of it. So, let's dive in and learn more about this delicious dish. What is butter chicken? Butter chicken, also known as Murgh Makhani, is a classic North Indian dish that originated in the 1950s in Delhi. It is a creamy and rich tomato-based curry made with boneless chicken pieces that have been marinated in yogurt and spices. The dish is typically cooked in a tandoor, a clay oven, to give it a smoky flavor, but it can also be pan-fried. The sauce is made with butter, cream, and a variety of spices, such as cumin, coriander, and garam masala. The tomato base is flavored with ginger, garlic, and chili powder, giving the dish a slightly sweet and spicy taste. History of butter chicken. The story goes that butter chicken was invented by a chef named Kundan Lal Gujral, who owned a restaurant in Delhi called Modi Mahal. He came up with the recipe by marinating leftover tandoori chicken in a rich tomato-based sauce and adding cream and butter to create a milder, sweeter version of chicken curry. The dish quickly became a hit, and it's now a staple in Indian restaurants around the world. How to serve butter chicken. Butter chicken is typically served with naan, rice, or roti. It's also common to garnish it with fresh coriander leaves or sliced onions. Some people like to add a dollop of yogurt or raita, a yogurt-based dip, to balance out the heat and creaminess of the dish. Conclusion. And there you have it, a brief history and explanation of butter chicken. This delicious North Indian dish has become a favorite all over the world, and it's easy to see why. So, if you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend it. Let me know in the comments if you've tried butter chicken before and what your thoughts are on this classic dish. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.